Hi! In front of me is LG G7 Fit, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the top left corner. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom and set Tap an hour. When you finished, click on Days of the week that you wish to set up and click on Alarm sound. Now, after hitting Allow in the pop-up, you can click on Alarm tone or music. If you wish to pick music, after tapping on it, tap on any song from your device to set it up. If you want to select alarm tone, tap on one of those melodies and hit OK at the bottom right corner to save your changes. Now you can adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right on this slider. Manage haptic feedback by clicking on this switcher next to alarm with vibration. Click on snooze duration and tap on the best option for you. You can even turn it off completely by hitting off. Last but not least, you can manage those two options: animated weather and puzzle lock. Thanks to those two switchers next to them. You can even click on Alarm Node and name your alarm. When you finished, just hit Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. To switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by tapping on the same, now grey one. If you wish to edit it, tap on it, make some changes, and tap on Save again. To get rid of it completely though, you need to hold it instead and tap on Delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!